Welcome to the video series where I show you exactly how small and medium businesses are using AI and automation right now. Not in theory, but in their day-to-day operations to drive real profits. Being myself a professional in development for 20 years and using AI technologies for my clients as well, the purpose of this series is to go beyond the AI hype and show you real-world implementations of AI and automation. I'll be covering 12 industries where AI is already making a major impact. This is part 4 of the series. In the previous part, we covered these 3 industries: legal, real estate, and HR. To watch that, click on the notification on the screen. Today, we're covering education, social media, and marketing. Let's see how businesses are actually using AI for profits in these industries. Answer a vast repository of FAQs related to multiple areas: institutions' policies, curriculum, events. Can act as virtual receptionists, greet people and direct them to the appropriate departments, and also schedule appointments, managing calendar and coordinating meetings. Can be integrated into various departments like admissions, providing information about application processes, deadlines, and requirements, the registrar's office, assisting with course registration, transcript requests, and degree verification, library, offering recommendations, searching for books, and providing library hours. Multi-language support. For institutions with diverse student populations, AI chatbots can be equipped to handle multiple languages. Adaptive learning systems. AI-driven adaptive learning platforms adjust the content and difficulty level in real time based on a student's performance and learning style. For example, a student struggling with math concepts might receive additional tutorials, quizzes, or videos that break down the topic into smaller, more simple lessons. The AI system adapts the complexity of the exercises based on the student's progress. We also have personalized content recommendations. AI can analyze a student's strengths, weaknesses, and learning preferences to recommend specific courses, modules, or topics. For example, an AI-powered learning platform might suggest extra practice in areas where a student consistently performs poorly, while recommending more advanced topics in subjects in which they excel at. Real-time feedback and assessment. AI systems provide immediate feedback to students, helping them understand where they need to improve and offering suggestions for further study. For example, an online language learning platform uses AI to analyze pronunciation and grammar mistakes in real time, offering corrective feedback to help the learner improve faster. Intelligent content curation. AI can be used to curate educational materials from a vast range of sources, providing students with the most relevant, up-to-date resources. This helps learners access high-quality content that aligns with their learning goals. Engagement and motivation. AI systems can use gamification elements like quizzes, challenges, and rewards to keep learners engaged and motivated. For example, a language learning app incorporates AI-powered gamification features that reward students with points and badges for completing exercises, maintaining streaks, and achieving fluency milestones. AI role-play tutoring and evaluation. AI simulates video or audio calls where humans interact with an AI agent in different scenarios, where the AI agent teaches and evaluates the knowledge it was instructed to. Now let's move on to marketing. Data enrichment and personalization at scale. AI helps gather data from multiple sources to make messaging more relevant. Lead scoring and segmentation. Qualify and prioritize leads more effectively. Hot prospects can be followed up by humans, while low budget or low intent buyers can be directed to low ticket offers and fully automated. Automated response handling. AI manages replies, analyzing content and sentiment. Thus makes sure replies are dealt with quickly and efficiently, whether by AI or passed on to human agents. Create instant, personalized video and graphic ads on social media platforms. Competitor monitoring. AI analyzes the social media activity of your competitors and notifies you when they launch a new product, make changes in pricing, and evaluates which marketing strategies and content were successful for them. Get leads based on their social media activity. Get warm leads, leads that interact on social media with your content or your ICP or competitors. It also searches for people engaging on social on specific topics. Automate and optimize your email outreach campaigns. Personalize emails, improve deliverability, and analyze performance metrics. With smart scheduling, follow-ups, and audience targeting, AI ensures your campaigns are more efficient. Now let's switch to social media and content creation and see how AI is used there. AI enhanced tools help content creators with their content strategy. From the ideation process, figuring out the best format type and posting frequency, to suggesting efficient hooks, post imaging, and generating full calendars with pre-generated and pre-validated posts. Keep your audience engaged by answering their comments on your posts. From the requests in their comments, collect new ideas for future posts. Get alerts when you get a negative comment so you can address it as soon as possible and improve your online reputation. On video, AI helps with editing videos by text or by their transcript. Create realistic movies from text. It can generate videos from pictures or from existing video, filling the missing frames or extending them. AI avatars. Automatically create videos of you talking, thus saving you time in video production, as the avatar will say with no mistake and production-ready audio the text you specify. These are used for short-term social media posting, course content or education, or short videos for personalized onboarding and welcoming. Create short-form videos from long-form videos. Split a podcast into multiple key moment videos to post as short form. AI will auto-generate these by analyzing what is likely going to be viral. On photos, AI can help with generating pictures from text and also modifying pictures like removing and replacing background, expanding a picture, increasing the details or resolution. Viral content discovery. AI helps find viral content from your competitors and suggest similar topics to post. Generate presentations. Give the AI a topic and it will draft a modifiable presentation with text and visuals. Repurpose old content. Rephrase the same idea but with different visuals and targeting it to a different but related audience. Cross-platform posting. Generate one content for one platform, then AI will generate the content for other platforms as well. For example, it can turn a YouTube video into a blog or text video post on LinkedIn, Instagram, X, Facebook, TikTok, etc. And that's it for this video, which is the last one in the series. If you are curious about how AI can help your business, book a free consultation with me to explore tailored solutions. I hope these videos have clarified how small and medium businesses are successfully using AI and automation. But make no mistake, major corporations are racing to implement AI too. By the end of next year, Walmart plans to convert its current website into an AI-powered one that predicts the type of content users want to see. As the company outlined in a recent press release, with this technology, Walmart will create a unique homepage for each shopper, making the online shopping experience as personalized as stepping into a store designed exclusively for each customer. With that said, I rest my case. I go into more details on strategies and tools businesses use to implement AI in my newsletter, link below. I'll see you in the next one.